What's it called? I'm gonna just do no. But explain me how much people are even there? 6. I can't count the rest because it's not gonna lie. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 coaches are 10 coaches. No. Why do y'all need air conditioner? Cause it. Okay, not gonna lie. How much coaches are there? Oh, okay. Okay. We're just gonna. Okay, I can't buy that though. I can't buy that though. I'm just gonna be going quickly on it. Okay, I quit. Bro, I'm not lying. I was actually went so quickly. No, I can't buy you. Okay, I quit. Okay, this is the last thing I need to get. And I'm not on, if that pops up for free, I'm not buying it, cause I'm not lying. I'm gonna finish that. I'm not finishing the game so quickly. I'm not on. I repeat, I'm not gonna finish the game so quick. Oh. I knew that. I totally knew that. I knew that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is the end of the video. If you liked it and want a part 2, like and subscribe and comment part if you want. Actually want a part 2. Comment part 2. Bye.